Hi everybody, Anton Creel here from ITPM. I've got a nice announcement for you today, guys, regarding a YouTube premiere coming up right on this channel. On Sunday, March 17th at 8 p.m. EST, we are going to premiere a webinar that we held back in February called Meet Sean from Sheep to Shepherd. You can click the link below the video and get yourself a reminder by clicking the Notify Me button on the video. So what's this all about? Well, Sean is an ITPM mentoring student who was mentored by Raj Malhotra in the fourth quarter of last year, 2023. And he made a 52% return in just 12 weeks. Yes, incredible. A 52% return in only 12 weeks. Now, how did he do this? Well, he did it by implementing the directional options trading approach taught by ITPM. The finer details, though, on how he did it, you're going to have to tune in to see exactly how he achieved that 52% return. Also, I myself will be presiding over the premiere and will be available in the live chat area while the premiere is taking place. The webinar recording, guys, is extremely useful to retail traders who want to get consistency in returns. So guys, remember, the premiere is going to be held on March 17th, on Sunday, March 17th at 8 p.m. EST. But of course, the video itself will remain on YouTube and will be available after the premiere. So if you can make it to the premiere, don't forget, click the link below the video, go to the video page, hit the Notify Me button, and you'll be sent a reminder. And I'll see you when it goes live.